If your energy bills seem to climb higher every year, your windows could be a big part of the problem. Many homes in Taylor, MI still have older windows that allow heat to escape in winter and let hot air pour in during summer. Upgrading to energy-efficient replacement windows is one of the most effective ways to improve comfort and reduce monthly utility costs, without sacrificing style or curb appeal. Why old windows cost you more? Older or poorly installed windows often have gaps, worn seals, or single-pane glass that simply can't handle Michigan's changing seasons. During cold Taylor winters, heat slips right through outdated windows, forcing your furnace to work overtime. In the summer, the opposite happens. Warm outdoor air sneaks in, pushing your air conditioner to run longer than necessary. The result? Higher energy bills, uneven indoor temperatures, and a home that never quite feels comfortable. How energy-efficient windows make a difference? Modern energy-efficient replacement windows are designed to keep your home insulated year-round. Features like double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and insulated frames help block heat transfer while maintaining plenty of natural light. For homeowners in Taylor, MI, this means lower heating and cooling costs throughout the year, more consistent indoor temperatures from room to room, reduced strain on HVAC systems, which can extend their lifespan, improved indoor comfort, even during extreme weather by keeping warm air inside during winter and reflecting heat away in summer. Energy-efficient windows help your home work smarter, not harder. Comfort you can feel right away. One of the first things homeowners notice after installing replacement windows is the difference in comfort. Drafts disappear, cold spots near windows fade, and rooms stay warmer in winter without blasting the heat. In summer, your home feels cooler and more balanced, even on the hottest days in Taylor. Better insulation also means fewer temperature swings, so your living space stays comfortable from morning to night. Save money month after month. While energy-efficient replacement windows are an investment, they start paying you back almost immediately. Reduced energy usage leads to lower monthly utility bills, which adds up significantly over time. Many homeowners in Taylor, MI find that the long-term savings make replacement windows a smart financial decision, especially when paired with rising energy costs. On top of that, energy-efficient upgrades can increase your home's overall value, making them a wise choice whether you plan to stay long-term or sell in the future. Built for Michigan weather, energy-efficient windows are designed to handle Michigan's wide range of weather conditions, from freezing winters to humid summers. High-quality frames resist warping, cracking, and moisture damage, helping your windows perform well year after year with minimal maintenance. This durability means fewer repairs, less upkeep, and peace of mind knowing your home is protected against the elements. A smart upgrade for Taylor homeowners. Replacing your windows isn't just about lowering bills, it's about improving your everyday living experience. Quieter interiors, better insulation, and increased comfort all contribute to a home that feels more enjoyable and efficient. If you're tired of drafty rooms and rising energy costs, energy-efficient replacement windows offer a practical, long-lasting solution for homes in Taylor, MI. Lower utility bills, better comfort, and a more energy-smart home all start with the right windows. Upgrading today can make a noticeable difference for years to come.